Colocando a galera pra dançar.
Now here's the story of the sound system culture. Now brands and corporations come create like vulture. It's Jamaican roots and pioneers, and the Windrush generation who brought it here. Sound system history is important. You see, we're just another branch when someone else's tree. Got to give it love and due respect. So give thanks to the others, may we never forget. Sound system history, oh, system history. From yard across the sea, from yard across the sea. It's reggae history, reggae history. Learn about the culture, don't just take it for free. They came on the Windrush with records in hand, sharing roots and culture in a foreign land. In the British people's hearts it lit a flame. Babylon and fight, but culture cannot be tamed. Banned from licensed venues due to racist fear. A parts in the homes, the music persevere. Homies speak a blues party in every town. DJ pound the mic, select a nice up the sound. System history, now system history. From Jamaica across the sea, from Jamaica across the sea. It's reggae history, reggae history. Learn about the culture that you claim to be. Enough sessions seem to lose their soul today. DJ up on stage and a lifeless PA. Check your Shaka King, Tubby's Coxon and Saxon. A real sound system is the main attraction. Sound systems have special dub siren delay. Now be match the selection the authentic way. It's sound system culture that we adore. But make sure you know the history of those that came before. Sound system history, sound system history. From yard across the sea, from yard across the sea. It's reggae history, reggae history. Learn about the culture, don't just take it for free. Sound system history, sound system history. From Jamaica across the sea, from Jamaica across the sea. It's reggae history, reggae history. Learn about the culture that you claim to be.
The new Hood Sound. DJ Ítalo Roots, DJ Ítalo Roots, colocando a galera pra dançar.